and Debbie! Let's go, Derrick! I can't wait to go see the animal safari! Yay! I wonder what animals we'll see today. Look, Debbie, what animal is that? It's an elephant! Let's see what else we can find. Wait, did you hear that? It's a monkey! Woohoo! Let's see what else we can find. Derrick, up ahead! Look! Wow, a tiger! Whoa! Ooh! Let's go, Debbie! Do you hear that? Where is it coming from? Ah! It's a snake! Here's for the camera! Bye-bye, Mr. Snake! I had such a great time! Who knew an animal safari could be so much fun?